Hello, everyone. Previously, we studied citrus cultivation techniques. However, during cultivation, pest and disease control remains a critical task. This lesson will focus on Huanglongbing, HLB, a devastating citrus disease. First, let's examine Guangxi's current citrus cultivation status. According to incomplete statistics, Guangxi's citrus acreage has reached 6 million mu, approximately 400,000 hectares, surpassing Guangdong as China's largest citrus-producing region. Additionally, annual consumption of up to 2 billion renminbi in agrochemicals, including pesticides, foliar fertilizers, hormones, and herbicides, and 4 billion renminbi in fertilizers, making it Guangxi's largest agricultural inputs market. During citrus cultivation, factors like cultivar selection, growing environment, and cultivation techniques make pest infestations inevitable. Pests and diseases reduce citrus yields and degrade fruit marketability, causing significant grower losses. What are common citrus pests and diseases? Today, we'll examine Huanglongbing, HLB, a catastrophic citrus disease, also called yellow shoot disease or citrus greening. It severely impacts yield and quality, even causing tree death. Among China's 19 citrus-producing provinces, 11 are already affected. Symptoms emerge in late May, peaking August-September. Heavy spring or summer rains, followed by autumn drought, worsen outbreaks. Global agricultural agencies prioritize HLB control. Extensive trials confirm HLB has no cure, but integrated management can minimize losses. On the 15th of September 2020, HLB was listed as a Category I crop disease by MARA. There are some images showing HLB across cultivars, including Shatang tangerine, Hongjiang orange, pomelos, Gonggan, and Mercot. Let's observe them carefully to see. What are HLB symptoms? It affects shoots, leaves, flowers, fruit, and roots. Most evident in summer and autumn shoots. Initial symptoms include 1 or 2 or more yellow shoots amid healthy foliage. 2 leaf yellowing patterns exist. Uniform yellowing and mottled yellowing. Symptom expression varies with infection timing. For example, let's learn the characteristics and patterns of the onset of the mottled yellowing. The leaves feature blurred yellow-green boundaries, thickened, dull, hardened leaves. The disease begins to happen from the branches, and the new shoots greening stops. Leaf blade yellowing from main veins, near lateral veins, at base and margins. The yellowing part begins to extend, forming the yellow and green mottled spots, and progressing to complete chlorosis. Leaves may drop to bare branches. You will feel that the leaves are hard and smooth when examining. In the mid-stage of HLB, nutrient-deficient branch tips reappear on mottled branches. The mid-stage HLB features upper leaf nutrient deficiency and lower leaf mottling spots. Besides, the fruits also suffer from the disease. The fruits affected by HLB feature orange-yellow near the fruit peduncle, with the rest remaining green. Low juice content with high pomasa ratio. And incomplete color development. What causes the citrus HLB? The pathogen is a group of systemically infested bacteria. The disease develops through a prolonged accumulation process. The Huanglongbing pathogen is a prokaryotic organism, previously classified as bacterium-like, now taxonomically designated as Candidatus librobacter. This bacterium represents a novel rRNA lineage within the Proteobacteria phylum. The pathogen demonstrates high sensitivity to tetracycline antibiotics, and also shows susceptibility to penicillin. Beyond infecting citrus, Fortunella, and Pansyris species, under experimental conditions, it can parasitize the herbaceous plant Catharanthus roseus via dodder transmission. The incubation period ranges from 3 to 6 months. Now, since we understand the etiology of HLB, we must master its control strategies. The 3 axes of HLB management emerge as: plant disease-free nursery stock, and remove infected trees, and control psyllid vectors. First, plant certified healthy seedlings. Never purchase uncertified, questionable seedlings. This is the cornerstone of HLB prevention. Establish nurseries in HLB-free zones. Propagate pathogen-free plants. Maintain more than 2 km isolation from citrus groves. Source rootstock seeds from healthy mother trees. Soak the seeds in 50 degrees Celsius to 52 degrees Celsius hot water for 5 minutes before sowing. Then soak at 55 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Select scions from high-yielding virus-free trees. Alternatively, dip in 1000 ppm tetracycline HCl for 2 hours. Rinse thoroughly before grafting. High-efficiency, disease-free mother plants can also be cultivated using shoot-tip culture. Secondly, promptly remove diseased trees from the field. Once a tree is confirmed to be diseased, it should be cut down at an appropriate time. This prevents the diseased tree from becoming a source of infection and causing further loss. Before cutting down the diseased tree, apply fast-acting insecticide to kill psyllids present on the diseased tree. This prevents viruliferous psyllids from flying away and spreading the disease after the tree is felled. There are 2 methods for handling the remaining stump. 1. Cut grooves into the stump, apply glyphosate, then cover with black plastic film. 2. Bury the stump with hot ash from burning the diseased tree trunk. Use heat to kill the remaining stump. Lastly, control of psyllids is essential. Currently, psyllids are identified as the sole insect vector of the disease. Although systemic insecticides can indeed kill psyllids, they may have already transmitted the pathogen during feeding. Therefore, it is best to use contact insecticides before and after strong winds to prevent wind-borne psyllid infestations. The new compound cyantraniliprole from DuPont is considered the best pesticide for psyllid control. It has both fast-acting and long-lasting effects. From the damage caused by citrus psyllids, we can see the importance and necessity of preventive spraying during the budding stage. Almost all pests lay eggs during this period, and fungal spores begin to lie dormant. In particular, the transmission of Huanglongbing by psyllids is a continuous process. If shoot growth is not well managed, pest populations will keep increasing. Students, Huanglongbing is known as the cancer of citrus. It is a devastating disease in citrus production. If you are an agricultural technician, you must master the symptoms, causes, disease cycle, and control strategies of Huanglongbing. Do a good job in serving agriculture, rural areas, and farmers. Contribute to rural revitalization.